Okay, week 6 was the 5th and last elbow that we're going over, is the spinning elbow. All right, is used quite a lot in different types of sport. It's actually underused. All right, it's a very safe way of throwing a spinning attack. I would prefer a spinning elbow to, say, for instance, a spinning back fist. Right, in my view, it's much safer. So when I'm with my opponent, we have to understand our foot movement first. All right, what I want to do is I want to take my front leg and make sure that I step onto the outside of his foot. So I like to go pinky to pinky, all right, instead of my big toe to big toe. All right, so I step outside of his foot and I go a small toe to small toe. All right, so now my angle is that I'm facing towards you. My hands are obviously going to be up. All right, I need to now rotate my hips to the opposite side. All right, and then my elbow will connect. From here, I'm not spinning all the way through. All right, as I connect, boom, I'm looking at my opponent. I'm looking of the site of alignment that I'm hitting, and from here, I step and I reset. The same way I went in, the same way I come back out. So again, looking at the feet without the hands, I step, I spin, and I look, and I reset. So again, I step, I spin, and I look, and I reset. I don't want to not look at my opponent, guys. Any spinning attack, even if it's a kick, right? I'm always stepping, and I'm straight away looking at where I'm going to strike, right? I'm not blindly looking to the opposite direction and then throwing the strike, hoping to connect to my opponent, okay? So again, with my feet, I step on the outside, okay? I rotate my hip and I look. Now we add the arms, all right? So again, I have to keep tight. Remember, with elbows, I'm in a close space management. I'm not in a far, all right? So I step, okay? My hand comes to protect my head, okay? I use this as well as momentum, and my other hand comes around and I throw the elbow, making sure that I'm compact with this elbow, that my hand's not disconnected from my torso, right? As I make the connection, I reset myself. So again, from here, 1, reset. 1, reset. Okay, if we look from the other side, again, I step, 1, reset. 1, reset. 1, reset. Okay. Remember, I'm not spinning all the way through, guys. Right? A tip: get the feet correct first. Right? The easy part is actually the upper body. Right? Your hand position and the actual elbow. Everyone usually struggles with the foot position and the rotation. So get used to stepping the correct place, rotating while looking at your opponent. Once you've got that, add in the arms.